So why did you initially choose Lighthouse?
Well, the planning took 3+ years, moved into the house 4 years ago, and it needed work. I went to Parade of Homes in New Hampshire last year to look at your work, but was very impressed by what I saw and the level of detail and that you had taken into your project, and I felt that it was going to be a good fit, let alone you have to find somebody that you can relate to, talk to, and that's what I found with you. It all came together, and with your help.
So what is your favorite feature in this project?
I still have to say that my favorite feature is the deck and the radius. It's a detail that I knew was going to take a lot to make it happen, and it looks beautiful. It was a lot of hard work, and it connects to the next favorite feature, which is the porch. So the porch just being such a great space to be at both day and night has been amazing. All of the features that, the details of everything coming together with, the siding, I adore. I wouldn't change the siding. The detail over the garage, amazing. The front door, the side door, it's all exactly as I imagined it was going to be.
So where do you think that we excelled in this project for you?
I think that with any contractor, the most important thing is communication. And I think that was exceeded on all levels, whether it was in person, whether it was phone, text, email. There were a lot of moving pieces with this project. It was a large project, and in order for them to be done successfully, you have to communicate. And I think that we did very well in that. The experience was very well planned. It was delightful every day that you all showed up. Everyone was always very courteous, very easy to work with, and delivered all of the expectations. It was an easy process.
Oh, really appreciate that. That warms my heart to hear you say all those things. We were a team. We were doing a good team.
Exactly. And that's what it takes. It takes a team, not only of a client and a contractor, but everybody on the team.